Namaskar, this is Arvind Singh, Head of Career Development and Corporate Relations of Gitanjali Group, Udaipur. Today we have among us Sudhir Agarwal sir. He is a Director Business Development of Microsoft India, and he is having more than 35 plus year of experience with the leading corporates like Thomson Reuters, Oracle, IBM, SCL, CFI, and Nuvation Technologies at a leadership level. And his focus area is on soft skill part. So welcome, sir. Welcome on our YouTube portal for the
Thank you,
viewers.
Arvind. Thank
And
you.
we are honored that we have the personality like you on our portal. So the topic of our today is dream company, dream jobs, and you. How anyone can get a job in the dream company or the profile what they really want. So with this, our first question to you, sir: what is more important, a soft skill or the knowledge about your subject or the content?
Wonderful, Arvind.
Thank
Wonderful.
you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you for having me with you. Uh, it's a very interesting question that soft skills, or basically, we are saying the hard skills.
Right, sir.
So, if you really look at it, whichever the career line we see for ourselves, in the beginning, the role of hard skill is quite significant because when we are fresher, whether we start as a startup or even we start as an employee, it is our hard skills what we have learned in last few years during our education and our internships. Now, that comes up very handy to perform our job. So if you really look at it first 3 to 5 years, it is the hard skill that is very, very critical.
Okay.
However, as you see, you grow in the ladder and you reach higher the ladder, the role of soft skills become more significant. So
Definitely.
in the beginning, if we are saying maybe 25% is soft skill and 75% is hard skills. As you grow in the ladder, you will see at some point of time it becomes a reverse. When the people in your teams, they do the hard skills role. So your requirement of hard skills is around 25% and the soft skill becomes 75%, which swaps the whole thing.
Okay, sir. Great, sir. Nice. Definitely, it means the both the roles and responsibility as well as the both skills are very much important for an individual to get the dream jobs or the company. With
Absolutely.
this, our second question, sir. Normally, we feel that when somebody is going for the interview, any student, they have the communication barriers, right? So for getting the dream jobs, if somebody is not good in communication, like English communication, is it really matters or not?
If you really ask me, unless we wear the hat of being weak, or we accept to ourselves that this is not good, I'm not good at, that becomes your hindrance. Otherwise, communication is one of the very, very critical component, but not necessary that this can fail you or this can succeed you. Even the other way around, if you have
Right.
excellent skills, doesn't mean that by talking nice, you can actually win over the interview panel. So it is all about having confidence about yourself. One, two, try to use the language. Sometimes English is the best language if the other side of the people are good to understand Hindi. Or let's
Okay.
say suppose you are in doing the same thing in Punjab. So sometimes using bit of, not too much of, but bit of Punjabi also. It's not
The accent always comes.
it's not
Right.
harmful. Third thing, never get under the pressure of using some selective words necessarily. So
Understood.
basically, what makes you comfortable communicating yourself by having eye contact with the people whom you are talking to? I think that you can overcome the communication challenge, even if you have, by talking right things with the eye contact, with the right choice of words, what you are comfortable.
Understood, sir. Great, sir. I think it will be a very nice suggestions for the viewers or the student because these kind of queries have many times came from the student. Said whether we have to speak in English or Hindi, we are not good in communication, what we are not good in English communication. So what we have to do? Is it going to give a wrong impression in the interview if we will not communicate in English? So I think we can use the language in which we are comfortable, or we have to mix the language which we can say English, the combination of both Hindi or English. Right, sir?
Appropriately.
Sir, with this, my third question to you, that these kind of also queries come that if the interviewer is asking questions in Hindi, in that case, we have to give response in the Hindi, or we have to be with our language the way we are going on.
So ideally, if a question has been asked to you in Hindi, start the answer in Hindi. That's a first rule. That's a good rule to start with. Second, as far as possible, without creating additional pressure on you of language,
Right.
start answering in Hindi, and then you can use the mix of language as the case may be, because certain words can't be spelled out in Hindi. So don't
Definitely.
take the pressure now. So if you allow me a minute, I can share with you. Once in Bhopal, I
Right.
was making a presentation, and I had honorable minister on the dais.
Right,
And
sir.
can you believe me, the 45 minutes presentation, I did it in Hindi. Now, IT presentation in Hindi. Now, Minister Saab was supposed to be there for just few minutes, but he sat through all 45 minutes because I
Okay.
was able to connect with him through the language factor. So
Definitely.
language factor became, stickiness between me and Minister Saab being there. So it all depends,
How you link up with the interviewer, and how
yes,
you convince him. How you convince him.
absolutely.
Great, sir. Great,
And
sir.
choice
With
of
this,
words and
uh,
choice of right words.
choice of the right word, definitely. So I think if you are giving the way of answering to the interviewer in a proper way, and the way of presentation is good, I think it doesn't matter whether you are communicating in Hindi or the English. Am I right, sir?
Yes, if you are communicating what the other person wants to listen,
Definitely,
you are
definitely.
there.
Great, sir. Great. Sir, the fourth question for you, sir. LinkedIn is one of the professional portal, and it is being used by almost all the students. So, really, for getting the dream jobs and the dream profile, LinkedIn profile help to the student or not? Or if it helps, how they can enrich their profile on LinkedIn?
That is wonderful. More so in today's world, and not
Right.
only students, even people like us. We continue to focus on platform like LinkedIn, and we continue to maintain our profile and our visibility there. So LinkedIn is a today also. LinkedIn is one of the platform which is used by recruiters quite extensively.
Right, sir.
So that is one. Second, LinkedIn is a platform. The audience is normally the professionals, the
Right.
white collar people. And third thing, on LinkedIn, you have this is a platform for you to communicate yourself.
Right, sir.
If your point of view, your own thought process, what you believe. So you can create your blogs. So you can start communicating with the world. Then it also helps you create the network. The power of platforms like LinkedIn is, once you get connected to one person, you have a possibility and potential to reach masses through them, subject to what kind of contents you are bringing. Very important point on platforms like LinkedIn, that once you receive the content, put your point of view on that, and but be wary and be careful. Even if you feel otherwise about some particular concept or
Right.
about a particular subject, try communicating more positively rather than negatively. Even if you think otherwise, you believe otherwise, try to communicate as if you are presenting a point of view rather than you're criticizing a point of view.
Definitely.
That's very important.
Very nice. Great. I think LinkedIn is one of the best platform, and it is helping student to nurture their capabilities and to get a job, or which we can say a dream job. Recently, we have got one example. One of the student has got a internship with one of the digital credit card company, Cred, by his innovative things which we have uploaded, what which he has uploaded on LinkedIn. So I think student can get a dream job as well as their dream profile easily after making their profile reach on LinkedIn. Right, sir?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Great, sir. Great. So with this, sir, last question to you, sir. That what matters most, a dream company or the dream job. Because when we are getting job in Google, but the profile what we like in Google, that we are not getting. So what does matters a lot? If we are getting job in dream company, that matters the most, or when we are getting job or the profile which we dream, that matters the most.
Now, this is a very, very fine question, actually, if you ask me. Why? Because sometimes it is very, very important to know what you are good at and what you are not good at.
Definitely.
I have also, achieved, did a copyright on this concept of Wang at what I'm not good at. So I'm
Right.
saying it's very important to know what I'm not good at and what I'm good at. And then based on that, focus on that, what you are good at and what you're not good at. Company alone does not matter.
Profile matters a lot. The job.
Profile matters a lot because you may get into a company where you're not in a right profile. You may fail.
You cannot grow.
You may even fail.
You definitely.
So it is always, as I said, focus positively, develop yourself, wait for the right opportunity. And I can share with you, sometime back when I was interviewed, towards the end of the interview, both interviewer and me, we concluded, and it was a job for Oracle. I can share that. Before even interviewer told me anything, I said, I think not this role.
Right.
Now, this was one of the companies, I worked for. I said Oracle. No, I said this is not the role, which is good for me. And then the interviewer equally, echoed that. Yes, Sudeep, not this. And after some time, I was back in Oracle.
Great.
But in a role of, where I was fitting almost like 100%. So it is very important not to be in hurry, not to get uncomfortable, but look for the right job. Not
Right.
that you can't achieve that, but start with your strength, not with the struggle.
Very nice. Great,
I
sir.
hope it answers your point.
Perfect, sir. It is really a great response which we have received, and I think with the dream company, if you are getting both, then it is best. But if you are not getting both, if you are getting a right profile, then you can get a dream company anytime,
Absolutely.
anywhere in the world. So with this, we thank you, sir, for your
Pleasure.
this time, and all students can be connect with him on LinkedIn. He has his
Yes.
own YouTube channel with the name of Sudhir Agarwal, sir. So they can connect with him and they can get the guidance whenever they required. And I think he'll be very happy to give you the guidance at any point of time. Thanks a lot. Thank you much. Jai Hind.
Thanks, Arun. My pleasure.